Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here I have come up with another video. So you can take the screenshot of the context if you want. I'll go through the problem description like we did it previously. So in this problem, you have been asked to write a query to calculate the total number of comments received by each user within 30 or fewer days before the date before this date, and the result should be saved in a column called comments count. So in this, we need to write we need to write a query to calculate the total number of comments received by each user within 30 or fewer days before this date, and the result should be saved in a column name called column comments count. So and the result should include the columns user id and comments count, and the result should be ordered by user id in ascending order for clarity and ease of reference, and the users who haven't received any comments in the defined time period should not be included in the output. So here we have fb comments table, so I'll write from fb comments 30 or within 30 or fewer days before the date this date. So where so here we have to use the date difference function like in the previous question. It was about time, so it was very understood that we need to use the time difference function in that, and since that it is like dates are involved in that, so we have to use date difference function here in this case. And also we need to use lead function, sorry, select lead of fb comment stable as fc dot created at comma 1 comma 0 over partition by fc dot user id star comma order by created at, and then order by, this should be ordered by fc dot created at as next underscore created at. Is tab. Here I should write as tab, and then after this I'll write select tab dot user id. Yes, so we have to write where date difference between within 30 or fewer days before the date. So this is the highest date here. So I'll write here I'll write here 2022 2020 0 to 10, and here I have to use the date sub function. Date sub function 2020 0 to and 10, and interval 30 days. Interval Sorry, this should be date sub date. Here it is the succeeding date. Succeeding date means next created at, and then here we should have the tab dot created at. 30 days. It should be within 30 days or fewer than. It should be not comments received by each user within 30 days or fewer days before the date. You have been asked to write a query to first let us understand the problem statement first to find a total number of comments received by each user within this time period. 30 days before 30 days before uh, 10th February 2020, within 30 days or fewer days before, like the days should be in between like 10th January 2022. If the date falls in between 10th January 2020 to 10th February 2020, then only we need to calculate the number of comments received by each user. Got it? So in 30 or fewer days. So the difference between the next created at date and the tab dot created at, uh, it will give us the number of days. The date difference will give us the number of days, and this should be where. So we can write that where sc dot created at, where to find the total number of comments received by each user within 30 or fewer days before the date. Here in this question we don't need the lead function basically. We are doing it in a wrong way. Select star from this table where it is very simple, where fc dot, I'm making it complicated, where fc dot created underscore at between date underscore sub 2020 0 to 10 interval 30 day and 2020 0 to 10. So this will sort only those the dates which are between this time period, and then after that we need to find the user ID and the count of the comment. So this is a little bit different question. So here I'll write fc dot user ID, and I'll use Agga in this also, fc dot user ID, and then after that I'll write sum of the number of comments, fc dot number of comments as comments count. As comments count. Order by user ID in ascending order. User within the defined time page should not be included. Order by, this should be order by user ID. Order by user ID, and then group by user ID. Group by user ID also. Yeah, this must be my final query. Let me just hit the submit button to see if my answer is correct or not. Yeah, it is correct. So thanks guys for watching the video. Now we will meet in another video with another problem. Until then, goodbye. And please hit the like button, share the video as much as possible, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks.